All rise. Please support my lord, I confirm appearance on behalf of the board.
May it please this court, my lord, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused 2.
May I please support my lord, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 3, 5, 6 and 9.
May it please the Honourable Court, my lord, I still appear on behalf of accused number 4, my lord. As the court.
As the court please, my lord, I appear for accused number 7.
May it please the court, my lord, I appear on behalf of accused number 8.
Indeed, sir, my lord. We took down the applications and they clarified the legal identities. My lord, quick consultation, so, but yes.
So you are ready?
For trial? Yes, my lord.
Mr. Jameen, are you ready for trial? You indicated on the previous occasion that you received all the necessary documents that you requested.
My lord, I confirm that we received all the necessary documents, docket, the indictment, and that we had an ample time to consult in preparation for the anticipated trial.
Good. Mr. Giba?
My lord, I can confirm that we are ready to arrange a trial.
Mr. Giba?
Magambi, my lord. Yes, my lord, I confirm that we are ready for trial.
May it please the court, my lord, I confirm that I am ready for trial.
Yes. Mr. Miller, on behalf of the accused number 7, what is the situation now? I was informed that the parties that you cited in your application filed an answer, and you informed the chamber that you want the opportunity to file a reply.
That is correct, my lord. Yes, that is the position. I'm not sure whether I should also answer to the issue of pre-trial as other colleagues answered as well.
Well, obviously, you are not ready for trial.
That indeed. Indeed.
Because your application is premised on you having 7 hours of the consultation with the client.
Indeed, my lord.
So, and you've also informed the chambers that there was some arrangement between you and the state as well as counsel appearing on behalf of the other respondents in the application, Mr. Snellman, that you consult with the client today. And you asked me for some time to consult with the client in order to find out what the arrangement is, to him being taken back to the prison.
I confirm, my lord.
Let's start with your consultation with the client this morning. What is the original view of the state?
I'm informed that we are going to leave at 1, so the consultation would be immediately after the adjournment. Yes, and then we have him until 1.
So it's approximately 3 hours.
Indeed.
All right. Now, all the other accused, as we've heard, are ready for trial. There's only accused on the cell. They are not ready for trial. I am obviously aware of the application, and I'm obviously aware that there is still a set of affidavits outstanding, and then thereafter a date will have to be arranged between you and Mr. Snellenberg to argue the application on the proposal basis. We still have to file heads in terms of the practice of this court. So, what I propose to do is the following. This matter will obviously not be dealt with within a week or 2. I am inclined to set the matter down for the whole term. And I would want to know from all the legal representatives, after I've dealt with your issue, when or what their availability is this year for the 4th term, or alternatively then the 1st or the 2nd term next year. And then we can deal with your application during the time today and the trial. So that we don't have a situation where all these issues must come back and forth each and every time because of the conclusion, etc. Do you have any problem with that?
None, my lord.
Thank you. Mr. Dalvini, what's your availability like during the 4th term of this year?
My lord, I completely don't have any dates in 2024.
So you completely fully agree with 24.
My lord, if I might,
Yes.
we already had discussions about the possible dates.
Yes.
When accused number 7's lawyer was not here. And we also in agreement that it must be set down for a whole term. And we were thinking that the 1st term next year, we can utilize that for this matter.
Are you all in agreement, ladies and gentlemen? That we will postpone to the 1st term next year?
Indeed,
She just told me.
My lord, unfortunately, I was not part of that discussion.
Oh.
I was not aware.
Mr. Ramini, that's true. Are you available during the 1st term next year?
My lord, I will be available, but depending on from which month are we looking at?
Not the 1st term normally starts in January.
20th of January up until the 20th of March.
First term will obviously be out, my lord.
Out.
Yes.
Why?
I already met us in January and February.
The entire January and entire February. Mr. Lamini, these accused are in custody.
I'm well aware of that.
Yes. Your client specifically is also in custody.
But unless if my lord is willing just to stand the letter down so we can look at the issue
You want the matter to stand down? Yes, Ms. Bester? Yes.
But at this stage, I must put the following on record, and that is regarding what documents did I provide for the attorneys. I want to put on record, my lord, I provided the whole docket to LASA as well as to accused number 7. Certain parts of the dockets was provided to Mr. Maruri, who also attended here. I didn't provide any documentation for any other lawyers. I sent them letters. I didn't get any reply in that regard because they obviously must.
But they're not complaining. Nobody's complaining about documentation.
No one is complaining
So,
about it. But what
yes.
I want to say is, I can't take any responsibility if it's during the trial they find that, oh, I don't have that documentation because I didn't provide that.
Yeah, but I think that bridge must rather be crossed when you get there. For now, nobody's complaining.
No one is
They are
complaining.
legal representatives. They know that they're entitled to the content of the docket, and you have provided the docket to some people. Mr. Maruri has withdrawn. He has probably given his docket to Ms. Creer. And in any event, Ms. Creer was involved in the matter. She had a copy of the docket, and nobody else is complaining. So let's not create an issue.
As long as I'm not going to be blamed for that.
No.
Thank you, Madam.
That the trial court will deal with that if necessary, if there are applications in that regard.
Thank you.
Mr. Moila, let me hear what your views are with regard to your application, because that application can now be dealt with between now and the first term. You must still file your reply and all those other documents. I'm going to let them, inclined to let the matter stand down based on Mr. Lamini's request, so that the parties can see whether you can get a date. I, in any event, have other pre-trial matters to deal with in the meantime. Is there anything else that you wish to add?
Yes, the last discussion, but I guess that we'll deal with that when we come back from this adjournment.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the one that we discussed in chambers. I think that we'll deal with it when we come back.
All right, good. The matter will then stand down. The legal representatives will then arrange a date for the trial of this matter. Thank you. Matter stand down. I'm going to adjourn now so that the court orderly can make the necessary arrangement. The other accused in the other matters are also in custody, and he needs to take some of these accused back to the court, holding cells. The court adjourns.